Have you ever wondered why fast food restaurants are often painted red and yellow? Or why blue feels calming and black feels powerful? Colors are more than just what we see, they are what we feel, think, and even act upon. From influencing our moods to shaping our decisions, colors hold a psychological power that goes unnoticed yet impacts every aspect of our lives. Color is a universal language that transcends borders, cultures, and even time. It's one of the most potent forms of nonverbal communication, silently influencing our thoughts and behaviors. Think about it. Why do luxury brands often use black and gold, while hospitals favor white and light green? Colors are not just aesthetic, they carry meanings, evoke emotions, and even alter perceptions. This is the psychology of color, a fascinating field of study that delves into how hues impact everything from our buying choices to our mental well being. Today, we'll explore how different colors affect our mood and behavior, backed by science and real-world examples. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand why certain colors make you feel the way you do but also how to harness their power in your everyday life. Moving on, what are the key aspects of color psychology? Emotional influence. Colors evoke specific emotions. For instance, blue often creates a sense of calm, red can stir excitement or urgency, and yellow may induce happiness. These emotional responses are deeply ingrained in both biology and culture. Behavioral impact. Colors can affect actions and decisions. For example, red can increase heart rate and energy levels, encouraging impulsive actions, while green can promote relaxation and balance, reducing stress. Cultural interpretations. Colors carry different meanings across cultures. White might symbolize purity in Western societies, but in some Eastern cultures, it's associated with mourning. These cultural contexts can significantly alter the perception of color. Scientific basis. The effect of colors on mood and behavior is tied to both psychological conditioning and physiological responses. For example, bright colors stimulate the brain, while softer shades soothe the nervous system. The science behind color perception. Colors are not intrinsic to objects but are perceptions created by our brain in response to light waves. This process triggers psychological and physiological responses, which can significantly impact how we feel and behave. The evolutionary role of color. Our ancestors associated colors with survival, for example, red signaled danger or ripe fruit. These primal instincts still influence how we respond to colors today. The color of passion and energy. Red. Red is associated with strong emotions like love, anger, and urgency. It increases heart rate and stimulates energy, which is why it's used in sales promotions and warning signs. The color of calm and trust, blue. Known for its calming effects, blue is often used in workplaces and hospitals to encourage trust and relaxation. It's also linked to productivity and focus. The color of happiness and optimism, yellow. Yellow stimulates mental clarity and cheerfulness. However, when overused, it can cause anxiety and agitation, showcasing how color has a dual impact. The color of balance and growth, green. Green represents nature, renewal, and balance. Its calming effect is why it's prevalent in wellness brands and spaces meant for relaxation. The color of authority and mystery, black. Black exudes sophistication, power, and mystery. It's often used by luxury brands to evoke exclusivity and elegance. The color of purity and simplicity, white. White symbolizes cleanliness and simplicity, making it a popular choice in healthcare and minimalistic design. The color of creativity and enthusiasm, orange. A blend of red's energy and yellow's happiness, orange is vibrant and encourages creativity and social interaction. The color of royalty and spirituality, purple. Historically associated with wealth and power, purple also has spiritual and meditative connotations, often used in religious or creative spaces. The color of nurturing and compassion, pink. Pink evokes feelings of warmth, kindness, and femininity. It is often used in marketing to appeal to softer emotions. Before we move forward, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. The biological foundation of color perception. The perception of color begins with the interaction of light and the human eye. Light waves of different wavelengths enter the eye and are processed by the retina's photoreceptor cells, called cones. These cones detect red, green, and blue light, which combine to create the spectrum of colors we see. Once processed, this information travels to the brain's visual cortex, where it is interpreted into colors that carry emotional and psychological meanings. This scientific process underpins why colors evoke specific feelings and responses, demonstrating the deep connection between biology and perception. Colors and emotional triggers. Colors have a profound psychological effect on our emotions, often without our conscious awareness. Warm colors like red and yellow evoke feelings of excitement, energy, and passion, while cool colors like blue and green bring calmness, relaxation, and peace. This emotional impact is often linked to the environment or experiences associated with these colors. For example, the calming effect of green may be tied to its abundance in nature, whereas red's association with danger or love comes from its intensity and visibility. Cultural variations in color meanings. Cultural context significantly shapes how colors are perceived. In Western cultures, white symbolizes purity and new beginnings, making it a popular choice for weddings. However, in many Eastern cultures, white represents mourning and loss. Similarly, red is associated with passion and love in the West, but it signifies prosperity and celebration in countries like China and India. These cultural differences show how societal norms and traditions influence the psychological and emotional impact of colors. The role of colors in memory and learning. Studies show that color can significantly enhance memory retention and cognitive performance. When information is presented in color, it is more likely to be remembered because colors stimulate attention and trigger emotional responses. For instance, red text is often used to highlight critical information because it stands out and signals urgency. In educational settings, colorful visuals and diagrams help learners process and retain information more effectively, demonstrating the practical application of color psychology in learning environments. Colors and physical reactions. Colors can also elicit physical reactions, such as changes in heart rate, blood pressure, or body temperature. For instance, red increases heart rate and stimulates adrenaline production, making it ideal for settings that require energy and action, like gyms or sporting events. Conversely, blue reduces blood pressure and promotes a sense of calm, often used in hospitals and therapy rooms. These physiological effects highlight how colors influence not only the mind but also the body. The use of colors in marketing and branding. Brands strategically use color to influence consumer behavior and build identity. Companies like Coca-Cola use red to convey excitement and urgency, while tech brands like Facebook and Twitter use blue to build trust and reliability. Colors can also affect purchasing decisions, with studies showing that 85% of consumers base their choices on color alone. This demonstrates how brands leverage the psychological power of color to evoke specific emotions and create lasting impressions. The connection between colors and productivity. Colors play a crucial role in productivity and focus. Blue is often used in workplaces because it enhances concentration and reduces stress, while green promotes balance and harmony, ideal for collaborative environments. However, excessive use of certain colors can have adverse effects. Too much white may feel sterile, and excessive red can create stress. By understanding the psychological effects of colors, workplaces can be designed to maximize efficiency and employee well-being. Colors and their role in fashion. Fashion is one of the most visible ways people express themselves through color. Wearing black often conveys sophistication and authority, while vibrant colors like yellow or orange signal energy and optimism. The psychological impact of colors also extends to self-perception. Wearing red can boost confidence, while pastel shades can evoke calmness. Fashion choices reflect not only personal preferences but also the cultural and psychological significance of colors. Future implications of color psychology. With advancements in artificial intelligence and virtual reality, color psychology is gaining even more relevance in designing immersive and personalized experiences. Virtual environments and digital interfaces increasingly use color to enhance user engagement and emotional connection. For example, Calming blue tones are used in mental health apps, while bold and dynamic colors dominate gaming platforms. As our understanding of color psychology evolves, its applications will continue to expand, shaping the way we interact with technology and the world around us.